everybody, it's Kelly, and I'm back with another layout, and I am doing another Easter theme layout here. I'm going to use this cut file of Easter bunnies with like just a little hole for the rabbit ear there. And on top of that, I'm going to lay these matted photos here. And that's matted on that plaid paper from Echo Park Hello Easter Spring Plaid. The cut file is just white cardstock, and then behind it is a pink cardstock from Basil. That cut file, I believe, is from Paige Evans. It's old. I cut it quite a while ago and didn't use it for one Easter for sure, and I think 2 Easters actually. It took me a while to figure out how to cut this. I didn't understand attaching and welding and all of that kind of stuff, and I finally got it and was finally able to cut it. But by that time, I think Easter was over when I really learned how to do that. So anyway, so it's just a really super cute cut file. Then I'm adding this little row of Easter eggs, colored Easter eggs from the Echo Park Happy Easter Element Sticker Collection. I love those eggs. I'm so glad I finally got them on a layout just because they're so darn cute. All right, and adding in a couple of things here. That sticker is also from that Hello Easter collection that says dyeing eggs. I wanted to get that on here because obviously that's what we're doing, is dyeing eggs. And I'm playing around. I've got this sheet of kind of spring and Easter stickers from Bella Boulevard, and there's one that says eggs here in these cute little banners. So I'm toying with putting that up at the top there. So I kind of have 2 little clusters there. All right, kind of playing with that dyeing eggs piece again. And then I had this egg left over on that Hello Easter, just 1 egg left. So I wanted to get that on this layout if I could. So playing around with it, was toying with a banner, but now I'm thinking I'm going to do just this little egg. And then I decide I like it better with the egg on the left. I don't know why, I just did. I think it just took up more visual space to me, and that's why I did that. So now I'm going to get this down because I have I like where things are here. Then I found this little happy sticker from the Hello Easter, or Happy Easter Element Stickers. Hello, happy, they're all so close. And I kind of like that, how that looks. The one thing I'm not loving though, is I'm not loving the fact that I have 3 things on 3 embellishment clusters. Kind of, I'm considering that one big bottom row an embellishment cluster. And then one at the top, it feels unbalanced to me now. So as I'm looking at things, I think I'm going to get some letters here now to do my title. I'm thinking about this, about something feels off to me and I'm not quite sure what. And I did leave like a lot of white space on this above. There are bunnies and cutouts at the bottom below the pictures, but they're hard to see because you can't see the ears. But I left a lot of white space so that you could actually see the rabbits that are cut out, because I think they're so cute and I loved this cut file. So I think I've done a few cut files more recently. I don't do a ton of them just because not everybody has them, but every so often they're too cute not to show you when I do them. And what I usually do with cut files is I will cut a whole bunch of them. Like I'll cut 20 of them in one day, and then I keep them in a folder, and I tend to cut them with projects in mind. I keep them in a folder, so then when I'm ready to scrap those pictures, they're just there and ready to go. Okay, so these letters are, this glitter alpha is from the Paper Studio, which is Hobby Lobby's brand name. I just like the turquoise in here, and I thought it worked really well with the turquoise or aqua and the plaid there. just a little sweet. It's a serif alphabet, so it just felt kind of sweet for this sweet little layout of my grandkids dyeing eggs here. And that's a brave mama there. The fourth child is missing, and actually at this point in time he's not even 2, so I think he was napping while they were dyeing eggs. And then I love that photo of the eggs in the carton at the end there. All right, so then I'm just going to add this asterisk from a couple of asterisks from the letters from the font. Liking that asterisk better there. It feels so once I do that, I decide, yeah, that is just really not feeling balanced to me at all. I'll save that for another layout. Once I do that, then I pop this happy up on the top right. So now you kind of have, they're across from each other, but all of the embellishments kind of surround the photo. It helps draw your eye into the photo when you do that. Okay, so then I have that all figured out. I'm just trying to figure out what else I can do. It just feels, I'm feeling like something is unfinished, but I'm not sure what. And I decide that maybe I'll just do some enamel dots and that'll help me figure it out. Plus I was doing Calvin Ball here, and you got points for enamel dots. I usually use enamel dots to finish things anyway. That's not unusual. I was toying with green, and then the green just wasn't feeling right. And I think it's because I've got a pink background underneath those ears, all the ears. So then I go to these pink enamel dots from Eyelet Outlet and Brad's. And I'm just going to add one to each of the areas where I have an asterisk. It goes right next to the asterisk. Once I do that, then I don't know, at that point, then I settled down and it felt complete. So I left things as they are, just gluing the edges down, and then I am complete. Here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.